Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get escape tokens for the newly added event called Crownfall in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open your Dota 2 via the Steam client and then go to Act 1 by clicking here. Here you'll see the overworld map of the event. So to get escape tokens, first you need to see which heroes will give you escape tokens when you win with them. To do that, all you need to do is click on this icon right here which says escape. Click on it, and here's the list of the heroes that will give you escape tokens when you win with them. On the right, you'll see the heroes that will give you 1 escape tokens when you win with them, and Ricky will give you 2 escape tokens when you win with them. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!